Hello, I am Sarah Miller and I'm a junior at Miami University. I've been a brother of Kappa Kappa Psi for 2 years now, and I'm getting a Bachelor of Arts in Music and a co-major in Arts Management. I've been playing the saxophone for 9 years, and a fun fact about me is I love to bake. It's very fun. Okay, let's get started, shall we? On our presentation about the saxophone. Ta-da! Okay. The saxophone was invented in 1846 by Belgian inventor Adolphe Sax. Sax was an avid clarinet and flute player and began working on and inventing new instruments in his early teens. A few more fun facts about Adolphe Sax. When he was 3, he fell down 3 flights of stairs and landed on his head. In the next few years, Sax would swallow a large needle and pass it with no injuries. He would drink a concoction of white lead, copper oxide, and arsenic with no injury. He fell into a burning stove and suffered severe burns, but lived. At age 10, Sax fell into a river and was found by a stranger floating face down in the water, and lived. He was blown across his father's workshop when a container of gunpowder he was standing next to spontaneously exploded. While he was walking in the street, he was hit in the head by a large stone tile from a nearby roof, which put him into a temporary coma, and many other rumored occurrences. This led to many referring to him as the ghost child of Dinan, which is the town he lived in. And yet he survived it all so he could bring us the saxophone. Some might say the saxophone was never meant to exist. Lucky for us, it does. Okay, the saxophone is classified as a woodwind instrument. While it is typically made of brass, the sound is made with a wooden reed on the mouthpiece, making it a woodwind. The pitch is controlled by covering holes in the body tube by pressing these keys. Very nice. Here is the mouthpiece with the wooden cane reed. And it creates sound using vibration. Okay, there are 4 kinds of saxophone that are most commonly used: the soprano saxophone, the alto saxophone, the tenor saxophone, and the baritone saxophone. The soprano is the highest and the baritone is the lowest of these 4. The soprano and the tenor are in the key of B flat, and the alto and the baritone are in the key of E flat. While those 4 are the most commonly used, there are actually 10 kinds of widely recognized saxophone: sopranissimo, sopranino, soprano, alto, C melody, tenor, baritone, bass, contrabass, and subcontrabass. Wow, that's a lot of saxophones. Anyway, the saxophone is used in a wide range of music today, and while it was a late invention compared to most other instruments used today, it has truly found its place in music. I hope you learned something new about the saxophone during this brief presentation today. This is statue of Adolphe Sax. Very pretty saxophone, and we got this funny, goofy picture. Okay,